So you can see SGX market is right now trading at 15,800 somewhere. Okay, so you can see the days range what it has made till now. So it went. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 6th of July and the time is almost 9:08 now. So yeah, before we see the pre-open market, so let's see how the XGX market has been running right now. So you can see SGX market is right now trading at 15,800 somewhere. Okay, so you can see the days range what it has made till now. So it went till 15,872 and the low made is 15,802 for now. Okay, so this is the range what it has moved right now. So let's see how our pre-open market has opened and how the Nifty will perform today in the live market. Okay, so going to the pre-open market page in our Nifty 50, you can see that the market is opening 0.13% down today. That is at 15,813.75. Advanced stocks are 24, declines are 25, and unchanged is one stock. So you can see like 50% stocks are opening in the gap up and 50% are opening in a bit of a gap down. So this is how the pre-open market has opened. Now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is ONGC with 1.69% up and Shrikam with 0.73% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Axis Bank with 0.44% down and ICICI Bank also with 0.44% down. So yes, so this is how the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And also, if you are new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to the stock market and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this and also see the live trade what we do today. So guys, right now I have selected Tata Motors stock to trade, and these are the support and resistance line what I have drawn right now. So according to that, I will just trade. So it's just open now. Okay, it's almost 9:16 now, and the stock has just started to trade. So I'll just wait for a few minutes to make my entry on this. Okay, so if it's going above 348 and if it's sustaining above here, I can go on a long side, I guess. So we'll see. Within few minutes, I'll update whether I'll take a buy or sell trade. So I guess the stock is sustaining above my resistance level what I have drawn. So right now I shall buy this stock now. Okay. So in the market level in intraday. So yes, we just bought it now around 351. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now we are in the buy side of Tata Motors. So yeah, almost 352 now. So if you guys know, it's a 3 rupees stock. So if I hit 1.5 rupees, it's almost like 0.5 rupees target. So let's wait for at least 2 rupees up. That is, I bought it around 351. So 352 now. So 353. Yes, we are near 353 now, guys. So if you guys can see here, so this is how the stock is performing. It's giving a very good and fast movement today. So the maximum resistance is also given a breakout here. So this was a maximum resistance, if you guys can see. So let's see in the 1 day chart and see what would be her highest. So yeah, it has went almost till 360. So that's the highest what it has made in a recent time. So almost near 353 now. We shall book the profit soon. Okay, so we shall follow the discipline. So 353 has been touched now. So 2 rupees up from the level where we bought. So yeah, it might retrace a bit and then go up. It will take some time maybe, but anyway, we are almost 0.5% target is already been achieved, guys, if you guys can see. So guys, right now I think 353 is our resistance level, so that's why it's not going easily above that. So I think it will take few minutes. So after that it might go up. We'll wait. So guys, yes, if you guys can see now, it performed exactly with my levels and it took a good support here near 350 and the first candle closed above 351, so I just tried to buy around 351 if you guys saw. So I bought it around 351. The stock went all the way up till 354.3. So yes, almost 1% profit is where we booked. Okay, so I took my exit around 354, around 353.90, somewhere around there it got executed. So I booked my profit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's state of Tata Motors. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So I'll be guiding you guys how you can make consistent profit like us in intraday trading. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.